Hello students of class 6. Today we will discuss our second concept of chapter number 2, whole numbers. Write down chapter number 2. Chapter number 2. Whole numbers. And this is concept video. Two. And we will start our lecture from the definition of whole numbers. Students, what are whole numbers? Whole numbers the natural numbers. The natural numbers. Along with 0, forms the collection of whole numbers. If I write down the examples of whole numbers, if we count from 0, 0, 1, 2, 3 and up to so on, these all forms the collection of whole numbers. Okay, I am again repeating the definition. Please write down in your rough notebooks. The natural numbers along with 0 forms the collection of whole numbers. Example 0, 1, 2, 3 and up to so on. Please write down one note also. Note. Zero is a whole number. 0 is a whole number, but not a natural number. Okay. Now we will discuss our next concept, that is based on number line. Number line. If I draw a simple line, say I mark a point 0, okay, and at some distance I mark another point, that is 1, and then I will mark 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So this is called as a number line. can also write down in the notebook is that mark 0 on a number line. And at some distance mark another point say 1, and then you can mark other points also 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then this is called as a number line. And now I am discussing with you about what is unit distance. Hope so, students, you understand about number line. Now I am going one step ahead in this topic, and I will discuss with you the definition of unit distance. What is unit distance? What is unit distance? Unit distance, the distance between the points zero and 1 is called as unit distance. So here you can say, students, these 2 points are there, and if I mark these points 0 and 1, so the distance between these 2 points 0 and 1 is called as unit distance. Okay. Now my question to you is that please tell me distance between the points 0 and 2. This is your question. So students, the distance between the points 0 and 2 will be, this is 1 unit, and if I add one more unit, the distance between the points 1 and 2 is 1 unit. Distance between 0 and 1 is 1 unit, and if I add these two, I will get a total distance between 0 and 2. This is called as 2 units. So 2 units will be your answer. This is how you calculate the distance on a number line. Okay. Other examples, like I have to calculate the distance between the point. If I take another question, distance the points two and seven. Then your answer will be 2 to 3 will be 1 unit, 3 to 4 1 unit, 4 to 5 1 unit, 5 to 6 1 unit, and 6 to 7 1 unit. 1 2 3 4 5. So the total distance between the 2 points 2 and 7 is I am writing the answer here. Answer is 5 units. This is how you can calculate the distance on a number line.